What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You guys might be wondering what's in this little box. I got this a couple of days ago, but I haven't been really using it. So it is the new Apple Card. Yeah, I know. I don't know. I just got it. I've been using it. I really like Apple Pay. For a week now. Yeah, I've been using it for a week now, so I think it's finally time for me to activate my credit card. So, alright, and here we have it. That black mark, I just put it over my last name so you guys really, for privacy reasons. So basically all it says is activate your card. So wake iPhone and hold here. Let's see what it does. And just like that, it just says activate, and you click your card is ready. Use your card everywhere where MasterCard accepts me. You can use these transactions, and alright, that's literally it. So let me pull it out of the nice little case. Oh boy, this thing is heavy. Wow, this thing has this thing is heavy. That's crazy. Oh, with the Apple, this feels nice though. But yeah, so you have your chip right here and your swipe right here. No numbers in the back, just Goldman Sachs. I've been using it so far for like a month now, and I have $1.78 in rewards, and I have been using it a lot, like once or twice a week. Let me show you guys my transactions. Can I see all of them? 10 transactions. Alright, so like at my work we have vending machines. I use it at McDonald's, Starbucks, Safeway. So basically this has all been for food. This whole time I've just been using it for food and like pencils and food. So it gives me 2% cash back, which is better than my Bank of America Visa rewards. But I haven't made too many big purchases on it, so that's why it's looking a little bit low, like my rewards is. But overall, for the convenience of Apple Pay, I really enjoy it, because you just literally hold it, you tap on the sleep awake button twice, it pops up the Face ID, you put that in there, and then your card is literally there. You put it right next to the thing if it has Apple Pay. If not, then you're kind of screwed and you don't get the 2% back, because if you use this card only gives you 1% back, so it's not really worth it. I'd rather you just use my Visa, because it would give me 2% back. Wait, no. I think it would also give me 1% back. It's more worth it to use the Apple Pay, because it'll give me more points than just use the Visa, which would not give me as many. So I've been having it for a week. I've been really enjoying it. I don't think I'll be using the card much, maybe just to flex on, like, when you go to these expensive restaurants and they think you're broke, which I am very broke, but you can just throw that out there and they'll be like, wow, he's got the Apple Card, but you know, you're still broke as shit. So if you guys want to see like using Apple ID, using Apple Pay for like a week or something like that, I can make like a little video of how I use it, or places I do use it at, which I can do for you guys. And yeah, so overall this thing has some weight on it. Let me compare with another card that I have. Alright, for security reasons, I'll use my Dave & Buster's card, which is the same weight as my debit card. So this is light. This weighs like nothing. This has some heft to it. Like, let me hit it up against my tripod. You hear that? Like barely. I'm already messing it up too. But it's got some weight on it. So if you like to keep it light, your wallet you're gonna definitely start to feel the weight on it if you're carrying like 3-4 cards on there, your ID, some business cards, and I don't even know what else you could carry, some cash in your wallet. You're gonna feel the weight of the Apple Card. But I use a wallet case, so I really don't feel too much of it. This is the case I use. This is a little pin my friend got me from Mexico. Well, he didn't get it from me, but he just gave me one. This I would basically just put the card in here, slides right in there, and I mean, it does add some weight, but I'd rather carry a wallet case than an actual wallet in my pocket, and I can just carry everything in one go, which is more convenient for me personally. But it just really depends how you want to use it, because I've been using Apple Pay as soon as this arrived, which has been like 2 weeks at this point, but I just haven't activated the card, so I was basically waiting for a chance to activate the card. I did it, and I think I'd still rather just use the Apple Pay through the phone than use the actual card, which is just 1% back. It's just sort of a flex tool. You really don't get much if you use the Apple credit card, the physical one. You're kind of better off just using the digital one, because you get 3% back, I believe, on all Apple purchases. Like, I got some cents back on a 99-cent game that I bought off the App Store, and that's about it for the 3%, because I haven't bought anything from the Apple Store, and I don't plan on buying anything on the Apple Store. I think I'm gonna skip the new iPhone this year. Pretty disappointing. Maybe the iPhone 11, but I just haven't paid off this iPhone XS Max, so I can't really buy it right now, because T-Mobile wants me to, finish paying off this one. But yeah, this is about the Apple Card. I'm starting to rant. Comes in a nice little packaging. You know how Apple does it. Their packaging, everything's seamless. But overall, if you like paying with your phone, go for Apple Pay. It's pretty good. The card is kind of heavy, but it's sort of a flex tool. But if you don't really mind the weight, then go for it. It's a pretty cool, neat card. It has some good weight. I think it is made out of titanium. So if you enjoy that type of material, I think you'll really like it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, subscribe, like the video. Let me know what you guys want to see. I'm running out of ideas. I don't know what else I can do. I'll see you guys in the next one. I hope you guys have a good day, good week, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.